yet do this? Are you wait until I come on camera to embarrass me? You sick my stomach. Hi guys, Natalie here. Thanks for tuning in again to DoxologyCreations. It's been a little minute. I know I misplaced some of my equipment and it just delayed filming altogether. But we're here again today with another makeup tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this look. I'm gonna share with you guys my updated foundation routine that gives you flawless skin, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna share all of that with you guys in today's video. Now, before we get into the video, if you like all things makeup and beauty, just considering hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you are aware of when I do post new content. If you're a long time subscriber, big up yourself. Thank you again. You know some love, no? And let's get into the video, guys. I'll see you on the other side. Hi guys, welcome back to this part of the video. So I'm gonna start out by moisturizing my skin with my Pond's nourishing moisturizer. I have oily combination skin, but even with that, I still have to moisturize. If you have oily skin, or if you have oily combination skin, don't you dare forget to moisturize, because it really helps your skin. Oil, I've learned over the years, is very good for you. So if you have oily skin, it's a blessing, especially when you start aging. Anyways, I'm going to move on to my prime essence, and I'll be using the No Problem Primer from Touch in Soul. So I'm telling a funny story. Tell me how I've been wanting to actually make a video now for a good couple of weeks, to be quite honest. And I recently moved. And when I moved, if you know anything about moving, you know, so when you move, your things get misplaced. So set up my studio now and everything, and for the love of me, may I look for my camera, may I look for my battery pack for my camera, which allows me to just like film without having to worry about my batteries. And I've been looking for my mic now for like the past couple of weeks. Dig up the place, search up the place. Could I find it? Can't find it. So next I'm going in with my primer from Tatcha, the Tatcha Silk Primer, Silk Cactus Primer. So for the love of me, could I find it? Couldn't find it. Actually no, I ordered a new mic and I ordered a new battery pack, and the battery pack didn't come, so I was very concerned about making this video. Nevertheless, I said, you know what, even if the battery dies, at least I'll get 30 minutes of makeup done. I'd have to wait until the battery's a little bit charged to get the remaining parts of the makeup finished. The mic come, and I'm telling you, say me I set up the whole thing, set up the lighting and everything for film. Yeah, so I'm fine. The same things I've been looking for now for weeks, you know? So I'll be starting out with my Juvia's Place. I am a Magic Foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with my damp beauty blender. also around the area of my face, and I told you it's been discolored. I don't want all of this darkness to show up underneath my foundation. No. What kind of foolishness is? No. We want to look how the something drop off.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
This door right. This door right. You know how long me I use something and it never yet do this? Are you wait until I come on camera to embarrass me? You sick my stomach. As I was saying, let me proceed. Okay, so we will not be using this applicator. No. Okay, the rest were left on my hand. Let me just leave it there. So I'm going in again with a second concealer, and it's going to be from Juvia's Place. I am Magic Concealer in the shade number 12. To go in with my foundation. I know you're probably wondering to yourself, where am I going to put the foundation? But I'm gonna show you. So I guess again, so the shade that I use in Juvia's Place is the Kampala, but you say 340. So I'm going to literally tape a little bit of that on the back of my hand, literally a little bit. If you know anything about Juvia's Place foundations, you know it's like full coverage. You know, the coverage is real serious business. So this is the amount that I put on the back of my hand. I'm using my Juvia's Place brush, just trying to work that into the bristles and the areas that I did not apply any foundation or concealer, which is in the area, the hollows of my cheek. That's where I'm going to apply the foundation. And I'm just gonna go over my contour, you know, just make sure everything blends out seamlessly. And it might seem as though my contour kind of fade out. I'm going to chisel it up back a little bit. Surely I am, and I'll be using my Juvia's Place I'm Magic concealer in the shade 6. chiseled but seamless. And this brush that I'm using is my Luxie 512 small contour brush. I'm gonna go in with one more concealer. I know, it's a lot. But you know what? The finish is going to be flawless. And this concealer is my Fenty Beauty Pro Concealer. Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 390. And it's really golden, as you can see. I'm gonna tell you, say, there's something done, There's something done. We really a script for dear life. But all I Sephora them like no, so I mean granted we can't order it online, but it take a little minute for come. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my translucent powder from Laura Mercier. And it's the original formula. The white one. So next I'm gonna go in on the brows. Place concealer in the shade 10, which is close enough to my skin tone. Alright, so I'm going in with the shade Nude. Sensation. So while my lashes set and while I'm dry, I'm gonna contour my face with a powder. And this contour set is from RK Kiss or RK by Kiss, their Contour Artist Powder Palette. Get everything chiseled up even the more. And I ordered this blush palette from Milani. Not so much a brush palette, but this blush from Milani. And tell me how when it come. Something drop out of my hand and smash. Oh! I'm gonna spray some alcohol on it, so right now it just look like a big pile of blush mud. Bronzer from Absolute New York. It's their Pro Bronzer in the shade Dark. For highlight, I'm I'm going in with my Juvia's Place loose highlight in the shade Cleo. Today's lippy will be from Maybelline New York Super Stay Ink matte ink, and it's in the shade Explorer. This is real pretty. Real pretty. Alright, and to top it all off, guys, I'm going in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Ooh, that is good. So guys, this is the video. I hope you enjoyed this updated foundation routine slash not dramatic but kind of sort of dramatic look. The lips is what makes it dramatic for the most part. But thank you so much for tuning in again, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and until next